Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of tomato confit. If you've never tried it, get ready to have your taste buds blown away. So, what exactly is tomato confit? Well, it's a cooking method where tomatoes are slowly cooked in oil at a low temperature, along with garlic and herbs, until they become incredibly tender and flavorful. The beauty of tomato confit lies in its simplicity. All you need are some ripe tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and your favorite herbs. Today, I'm using thyme and rosemary, but feel free to get creative with your herb choices. Now, the key here is to cook everything low and slow. We want the tomatoes to break down gradually, releasing their juices and infusing the oil with their sweet flavor. As the tomatoes cook, you'll notice the magic happening. The flavors meld together, creating a rich and aromatic sauce that's perfect for just about anything. That's incredible. You can use tomato confit as a topping for bruschetta. Toss it with pasta, spread it on sandwiches, or even serve it alongside grilled meats or fish. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, folks. A simple yet utterly delicious tomato confit that will elevate any dish to new heights. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!